In many online web application, we need to implement some swipebox like this, that user can sweep between elements or images. And we need to do it fast and very light, because we don't want lose any customer, and works and compatible with all device and cell phones. So how we can make this with Vue.js? All we need is install this package, shop it slash Vue 3 or 2 if you use Vue 2 hyphen sweep hyphen box. So let's make a new Vue.js application and make something like this. Okay, we don't want this and don't want this component and this and this. At first we install this package from npm, just copy this and paste it here, wait for install. Then we need to import it here and define it here in components. And all we need is define some swipebox here. And first level of child element of this swipebox is our container. Let's style it. Okay. And any elements in this container, it's our sweepable elements. We make 1, 2, and 3. We need to refresh it. And you see it works fine. Let's add some style. Red and you can see it works fine. You can check out the document and we can change a speed. If we define a speed here, it's milliseconds. You can see it work slower. Nice. We can take control of our swipebox by defining reference and control it with our methods. Let's define some methods here. this dot reps dot my sw dot method sweep to next. And let's define some button here. You can see it works fine. And you can check the document next, previous, and go to method like this. Go to index. And we can see unchange here and control unchange like this. If we define unchange and define method unchange, we can see when user change and see index here and do anything we want with these variables. It's compatible with mouse and touch device and works fine with no problem. You can see there is no lag or problem, and it's compatible with Android, iOS, old iOS, and all touch and mouse device. You can check out source code in our GitHub Shopit Dev Vue 3 or 2 and change the source code if you want. It's just a component, and this is our source, and you can see it and work with it. You can also load image in dynamic way like this from data and use v4 and look through your array and load image here, and it's dynamic. You can dynamically add or remove image here. I know there is a lot of library that do this, but this is very light and fast, and you can see the source code is very light and fast and will load your application very fast and smooth.